Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So today we're gonna work on the lower control arm. I haven't had a chance to take it out, and I've also been lazy. So now we're gonna take them off today. It's type chilly in Florida. So let me see how. So far for what I got done with the lower control arm was get this bolt out, which is a 19. Got the bolt out. Was able to squeeze the socket in there to get it out. The only issue is to take it off from this side since it's going to touch the boot. Barely has any like space. Then we have this sway bar link nut that I took out. This nut was a 17 and this one is going to be a 14. It needs to be changed as well. Alright, so this is day 2. Brandon came over and he tried to help me to get the controller arm out. As you can see, it's just dangling there now. It was pretty rough. I used PB Blaster to get the screw out here. You barely got any space. And I hammered it from here to come out. So hopefully it's gonna come out. I'm gonna try that out. Okay, we got something. Hey guys, welcome back. This is day 2 or 3, I don't know, I lost count already. So today, yesterday we was working on the driver's side to remove the lower control arm. Today we're gonna do the passenger side. I was able to remove the lower control arm. I had issues taking out the bolt where the bushing is at. It was a little hard. We was hammering it out and it wasn't coming out. We threw some PB Blaster and we was able to take it out. So now we're gonna do the passenger side now. All right, so we're gonna start by taking this one out. I already loosened it up. It was a 19. And I got my little handy dandy tool somewhere here to remove that. So we put it like that and it should pop out. Alright, so we already got it loose. That should be off. I'm gonna take this out too. Look at that. So this is all the pieces and we're ready to go. Alright, so we're ready to head out. We found a local spot that's willing to do the bushings for us for about 20 bucks a piece. So we're gonna head out there. I also got to stop by college. I'm still getting my education on, and I'm transferring from New York to Florida to continue my education. So I'm gonna stop by and do that first, and hopefully they still have time to do the bushings. Hopefully, let's see. I'll get back to you guys.
I know you proud of me, but I'm proud too. You the only woman now I get some vibes.
Alright, hey guys. I was texting Brandon, letting him know. So now we're at a local shop. They quoted me really cheap to get the bushings pressed in. So they're working on it right now as I wait. So this is the place. So good news, I got enrolled in school, so we're good with that. So I'll start, and I think I can start this week or I'll start in March. Depends if I can get the classes. But anyways, enough of that. Now we're just gonna wait, and I'll be back once I get the pieces back. All right, so we're back, guys. So we did get it successfully installed, the bushings. Let me show you guys. So the shop I went to, they had a hard time putting these on, but they got them on successfully, I believe. I have to check them. They look great. This is the other one. They're dirty now. Gotta clean them. And then these are the Megan bushings for the tension arms. So we got them all installed. Now to put them back in, and we should be straight. Alright, so here's the driver's side. That one's already in. It's dangling. So I'm gonna try to get this sealed in. I did order new links. This screw back in. Alright. Alright guys, so it's already about to be sundown. So this is what I got done so far, because I was having issues. I was having issues with the tension arm to get it aligned. Right now it's not aligned too well, so it's hitting the tension arm, so I might have to loosen something. I already got the sway bar link installed. It was giving me issues on this side. I hit it with the impact gun and it went in. I already put the H brace on. It's painted silver. Everything seems to be in, so now I just need to get these two screws in. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, there's two screws in there, which are 19s. So 14, 17, 19, and 19 over there as well. That should be good. So let's follow up, keep you guys updated. So yesterday I went back to putting everything back together. So this is how it looks so far. I got the tension arm in. However, these two screws, I guess they're not aligning properly, so the screw won't go in. So I had to loosen something up, not sure. Put the H brace on. I'm not sure you can see it, but yeah, painted it aluminum. Now everything seems to be tied up on this side except for this part, which is the tension arm. I then have to put the spindle on. As you can see, it's all painted again, black, silver, made a whole mess. And now for the passenger side, I did this side. Everything went in on this side perfectly fine. The passenger side is always giving me no issues, and it's the driver's side that's always giving me issues. So I had to put the sway link here. I didn't do it yesterday. Once I do that, I'm gonna just also confirm that's tight as well, and then everything can go back in and we can hopefully finish everything today. But I'll keep you guys posted on that, and then we can start the car up tomorrow. However, there's a few things I still need. I still need a battery. This battery's still dead. What else? I need a tire for this side as well, which is pretty much gone. Also, I gotta do the transmission fluid, but I'm gonna do that in a separate video. This video is already gonna be long enough. But yes, if y'all guys want to just skip to the parts where I'm just taking out everything, you can go ahead. I'm gonna fast forward some of the parts because I was struggling with most of the parts. But yeah, let me know, guys, in the comments what you want me to do next, or you need help with anything. I'm learning as I go with this car, so I'm been more of a Subaru and Honda head, so I'm learning as I go, and hopefully I can drive this car Saturday. I also got to renew the registration, I think, so I might, I don't know. All right, so we're back to it. Let me see if I can try again. Okay. I want to say a flathead. Because I think it's tilted for some reason. So I gotta make sure this aligns. Okay, welcome back, guys. Saturday day, I don't know, but we're going back to working on the car. It's a brand new day. I was feeling a little pain yesterday, so I didn't continue on with the car. Alright, so like an hour later, sorry about that. We got one screw in. Got one of them in. I took everything apart, so that's why I didn't really record it. I took the sway link out, I took the bolt for the control arm out, and the tie rod. Took everything out to try to, I'm out of breath, sorry about that, but I've been using the breaker bar to try to get them in. So this one went in. Now I'm working on the second bolt, which is almost there. They're just giving me a hard time. Alright, so we got the screw in. We're working on this one. Alright guys, so we finally finished. We did it. We got both screws in. I put a little PB blaster in it, so the screw went right in. After that, everything's locked and loaded. I'm gonna go to the passenger side to finish the link, and we should be set and go from there. Alright, so we're finished. We finished the whole thing. Yeah, it was a little hard, but we got it done. Thank you guys for sticking with me throughout the whole process. The next